Now we need to know bit about breadboard. We don't paste the breadboard over the kit. We keep it movable. So this is your breadboard. How it looks from the back side, or you can see from this manual that these strips are called as bus strips. This one, the upper one and the lower one, these are called as bus strips. And the middle two sections, this one and this one, they are called as terminal strips. If you look it from the back side, the connections are like this. As you can see from the manual that there is a gap. So this is the gap. Here is the gap. And there is no connection between this terminal strip and this terminal strip. There is a gap is there. So if you want to place your ICs, you need to place over this section. The upper line will go here and the lower line will go here, as the pins won't get shorted because there is a gap over here. It's mentioned in your manual also. This gap you can see from here, this one. There is a gap. Here there is a gap. And these strips are known as bus strips. The upper one and the lower one, these are bus strips, and the middle two are terminal strips. We will prefer to place the IC over this line, so that the one line will go at this, another will go at this, and these are horizontally shorted. Wires which we will be using, such kind of wires are used. The thickness of a wire is measured in gauge, G-A-U-G-E. Most of the time we prefer 22 or 24 gauge wire. These are used for inputs and outputs. You can't put a loose wire over these sections. Loose wire means like this. If you place it in your output or input or ground or voltage, it will keep on moving. So we prefer this one. They are called banana to banana wires. Banana to banana wires. These come in rolls. They come in rolls and they come piecewise. Most of the time we cut it from the center and we shoulder such wires to increase their length, and they become like this. Like this you can increase their length so that one end can be fitted at +5, ground, input and outputs, and this section can be placed on breadboard. This side works on breadboard and another side works on +5, ground, inputs and outputs.